Today we are going to discuss about breeding of potato crop. Botanical name of potato is Solanum tuberosum. It belongs to family Solanaceae. Genus of potato is Solanum and its species is tuberosum. Its chromosome number is 2n equal to 24 and tetraploid is 4x equal to 48. It was introduced in India from Europe in early 17th century. Potato originated in South America region. It is a crop of cool season. Potato is also known as king of vegetable. Now coming upon next point, that is botany of potato. So first heading is growth habit. Potato is annual herbaceous and dicotyledonous plant. The propagation of potato is done through tubers and true potato seed, but for commercially purpose its propagation is done through tubers only. Then next point is root. The root system found in potato is adventitious root, which is shown in figure. Main plant, adventitious bud, root, then adventitious root of these pictures. The next point is stem. Stem of potato is of branching type. Then next point is stolons. Stolons are lateral stems which grow horizontally below the ground from the bud of underground stem. Generally, long stolons are found in wild species of potato. So you can see stolon of these pictures. Stolons. Underground stem is called stolon. Then next point is tuber. So potato tuber is modified stem. It is born on the end of stolon underground stem is called tuber. Then next point is sprout. The sprout are growing eyes of exposed potato tuber to sunlight. You can see potato eyes and eye bud and scale leaf, scar of stem, adventitious root, sprouting shoot, lateral bud. Growing of bud in form of sprout reduce the quality of tuber. The next point, leaf. Potato leaves are normally compound leaf. It is pinnate with several pair of leaflet. So you can see compound leaf of these pictures. You can see compound leaf. Then it is pinnate with several pair of leaflet. It's called compound leaf. Then leaflet are directly attached on petiole. So you can see petiole peak. You can see petiole. Leaflet are directly attached in petiole. It's called petiole. So next point is flower. Potato flower are bisexual and contain all essential part. First part is calyx, second part is corolla, third is androecium, fourth is gynoecium. So you can see yellow color of anther, male parts. Anther plus filament is equal to stamen or androecium. Stigma, style plus ovary is equal to gynoecium or pistil. Purple color of petals is known as corolla. Then green color of sepals is called. And next point is fruit. The fruit found in potato is generally berry. Berry generally has two chamber and it contains 50 to 200 seed. Then seed. Next point, seed. Potato seed are known as TPS. Full form of TPS, true potato seed. The seed are flat, oval, and small size. The next point, economic importance of this crop. So first, it is the fourth major food crop of the world after rice, wheat, and maize. In production of potato, India is ranked fifth in the world. It is one of the most important crop grown in Asia region. The protein content of 2% is potato. The contains 17 mg vitamin C per 100 gram and 568 mg of potassium per 100 gram. Potassium per 100 gram. Potato contain very high amount of carbohydrate that is 22%. Solanine 5 mg contain is in potato is 5 mg per 100 gram. If this value goes higher than 20 mg per 100 gram, the potato becomes unfit for consumption purpose. Potato is grown all over India except state of Kerala. The next point is cytology. The basic chromosome number of potato is 12. 75% species are diploid while 15% are tetraploid. So triploid and pentaploid species of potato are highly sterile in nature, maintained by vegetative propagation. All the diploid species of potato are self-incompatible in nature, while all the tetraploid and hexaploid species are self-compatible in nature. Breeding objective taken for improvement of potato crop. First objective, high tuber yield, earliness, photo period insensitivity, fertilizer, better keeping quality, better quality tuber, resistant to late blight, early blight, charcoal rot, common scab, bacterial wilt, viral disease, nematode and aphid, resistant tolerance to heat, drought, soil salinity. Then these are 4 common breeding methods taken in consideration for improvement of potato. So first method is these methods are introduction, clonal selection, hybridization, and mutation breeding. So what is introduction? Introduction, the improvement variety are grown in new environment in which they are not grown earlier, is called introduction. Clonal selection, selection is of improved quality tuber for crop raising comes under clonal selection, is known as clonal selection. The next, hybridization, the phenomena crossing between two dissimilar individuals is called hybridization. The next, mutation breeding, inducing heritable change in the genotype with the help of some mutagenic agent. So what is mutagenic agent? There are two types, physical mutagenic agent and chemical mutagenic agent. Physical, all radiation, for example gamma rays, X rays, beta rays, etc. Then chemical induced mutagenic agent, EMS, ethyl methane sulfonate, MMS, methyl methane sulfonate, colchicine, etc. Following potato varieties are released by different breeding methods. So you can see introduction, up to date, from North Ireland, most popular variety by introduction. Clonal selection, Kufri red, Kufri safford, etc. Then hybrid mutation breeding, Maryline 2, Konicke number 45, digital, etc. Thank you.